Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So Doge has come down right to support. I have removed the support area from the chart already for this video because we want to make a change to the microstructure. I mean, overall, nothing has changed in terms of microstructure. Yeah, I think the only thing that has changed, I've moved the wave 2 from where it was here to here. But I think it has become less likely that this here is an impulse. It's not invalidated, but I think it will be. So idea is still that this move to the upside could have started in circle 5 of wave 3. Okay, so the overall chart context remains unchanged, but I don't think it's unfolding as an impulse. I think what we're dealing with here is a diagonal pattern. At least this is the next best bullish option. Now, this now also kind of makes sense, you know, this kind of ugly bottoming structure here, because I can call that an ABC structure in an A wave. We're now moving down in a B wave, and we could then get a rally in wave C of 3 afterwards, once wave B forms a low. Now that's the next best bullish option. It's not a guarantee, and certainly that it's morphed into a diagonal is definitely a warning. It is definitely a warning. It is because it's a 3-wave move up, right? And a diagonal is usually the first step to fail. The first step to failure. It is what it is, you know. But it's not failed yet, and there is still a chance. And we have seen a lot of diagonal patterns in this cycle. And support for a diagonal, I mean, for a B wave support is usually weak. I would use the 50% retracement to the 88.7 retracement in this case, because B waves can go deep, and B wave support is typically weak. But as long as we're holding the 88.7 FIB level at 31.2 cents, I could see this here as a B wave. And there is still some space, right? And for example, within the third wave, it just means that it's a bumpy ride here. And the in a diagonal, the third wave is an ABC structure, and so is the fifth wave. And the A wave of wave 3 was likely an A, B, C as well. And we're now in a B wave, also in an A, B, C. And we just need to see if the bulls turn up in this region. The market has now reached, on the micro level, the market has now reached the 50% retracement at 34.7 cents. The next level to watch, and that's a very important one of the most important Fibonacci retracement levels where support could hold, that's 33.6 cents, the 61.8 retracement. Below that, we've got 32 cents, the 78.6 FIB. These are all relevant. Ideally, we don't even want the price to get to the 88.7 FIB level. But we'll see. I mean, these are sort of the levels I am watching now. Obviously, below, 1 second, below support. So if the price breaks below this upper support area, then we're dealing with lower support, and it's located between 25 cents and 28.5 cents. This would still be possible, you know, in case we break upper support, then we have to consider the larger wave 4 never bottomed and it's still unfolding in a still unfolding circle 4. And this all here is part of this complex correction, but then ideally it holds 25 cents. So while I would really like it to have bottomed here on the 20th of December, the morphing to a diagonal is a first warning. It might break, but you know, we'll see. I mean, this is definitely still a reasonable scenario to consider. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.